Hello everyone. It's Alex from the Dynotest team and I am here to show you how to install, activate, and use our device on a Mitsubishi Outlander car. Let's get started. There are 4 different modes available, and you can easily switch between them. Each mode is activated one after the other, and to move to the next mode, just pull the high beam lever 4 times. The hazard warning light on the dashboard will blink each time when the device switches between modes. Now, let's give it a try. 1. Pull the high beam lever 4 times to enter mode 1. The hazard warning light on the dashboard will blink 1 time. In mode 1, the mileage block function is inactive, so your kilometers are recorded at 100%. To move to mode 2, pull the high beam lever again. The hazard warning light on the dashboard will blink 2 times. In mode 2, only 50% of the actual mileage is recorded. Switching to mode 3? Just pull the high beam lever 4 times. The hazard warning light on the dashboard will blink 3 times. Now, in mode 3, only 10% of the actual mileage gets recorded. And finally, for mode 4, pull the high beam lever 4 times again. The hazard warning light on the dashboard will blink 4 times. In mode 4, the mileage block function is fully active, so 0% of the actual mileage is recorded. That's it. You're ready to use our device on your Mitsubishi Outlander. Thanks for joining us.